Hello dear students, the task of the day is find the electronic configuration of the following elements. I have given total 6 elements. First one is a tin, the symbol is Sn, atomic number 50. Bromine, symbol is Br, atomic number 35. Barium, symbol Va, atomic number 56. Lead, symbol is Pb, atomic number 82. Sulfur, S, symbol is S and atomic number 16. Potassium, symbol is K and atomic number is 19. The first one, tin 50, I have done for you. What is that? Element name is tin, symbol Sn, atomic number 50. See, atomic number 50, 50 I have given. So total electrons are 50. Whatever is the atomic number, total number of electrons also 50. So for this particular element tin, it has 50 electrons. How these 50 electrons are arranged in its different shells, let us study. So for that you need to by heart, this is a rough work, you need not to do this all in my notes, you have to show the solution this way itself. So see, this is 1s2, 2s2, 3s2, 4s2, 5s2, 6s2, 7s2, 2p6 in this line 2, 2p6, 3p6, 4p6, 5p6, 6p6, 7p6. Then in the line 3, 3d10, 4d10, 5d10, 6d10, 7d10. In the line 4, 4f14, 5f14, 6f14 and so on. See, this is one arrow mark I gave. This is what? After 1s2, it comes 2s2, then it comes 2p6, then 3s2, then it goes 3p6, 4s2, then 3d10, 4p6, 5s2, then 4d10, 5p6, 6s2, then 4f14, 5d10, 6p6, 7s2, 5f14, 6d10, 7p6 and so on. So what way this particular pyramid will help you in finding, let's see. So here our total number of electrons are 50. So I will keep now this series 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, this one 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10. I will go on writing this series 1s2, 2s2, 3s2, which way, whatever stations I am meeting, first 1s2, then 2s2, then 2p6, 3s2, all the stations I am going and writing, and there I am calculating. It has 2 electrons, and this is also 2s2, 2 electrons. It is 2p6, 6 electrons, 3s2, 2 electrons, 6 electrons, 2 electrons. Only electrons I wrote, and the total number of electrons I total, that is 50. Actually it is 5p6, but if I put here 6, then up to here 48, 48 plus 6 it comes to 54. So I took only 2. 5p6 there, but I took 5p2 itself I took. So that up to here it is 48 plus 2, 50. Its capacity is 6, but we should not take 6 because I have to get 50 on adding. So this one is 2. Now this is the number I got. Now the shell name is, first shell is K, second is L, third is M, fourth is N, fifth is O. 1. 1 is only 1 there, 1 is 2, no other 1 there. So these 2 electrons are going to K. Now 2, this L shell is 2. The number 2 is 2, 2 only these 2 Ks. So these 2 numbers will coming to under L. Now coming to third shell 3. 3 is here 1 3 there, here 1 3 there, here 1 3 there. 3s2, 3p6, 3d10. These 3 I have given arrow mark. This 3 comes under 3m. And 4n, fourth shell number is 4. 4 is, this is 1 4, 4s2, this is 4p6 and 4d10. These 3 are added here. And similarly 5 is there completely only here, 5s2 and 5p2 this is. So these things I have written here in the table. Shell number is 1 2 3 4 5 and shell name is KLMNO. Now under K shell how many are there? K shell only 2 electrons there, 2 I wrote. Now under L shell this is 2 plus 6 8, 2 plus 6 8. Now third is M shell. M shell here 2 plus 6 plus 10, 2 plus 6 plus 10, 18. And then fourth is N shell. Here it is 2 plus this is 6 plus this is 10, because Fourth is, this is 4, 2 electrons. Again this is 4, 6 electron. Again this is 4, 10 electrons. 2 plus 6 plus 10, 18. Now last fifth one. Fifth shell here, 2, 5s to 2 electrons and 5p 2. 2 plus 2, that is 2 plus 2, 4. All adding it has come 50. So the electronic configuration is first orbit 2 electrons, second orbit 8, third orbit 18, fourth orbit 18, and last is 4. This is what is electronic configuration. I want the solution only this way. This is only for your rough work to know that in which orbit how many electrons are there.